Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen now, it is trading at a level of $4232.940. Okay. And if you look at this particular trend, then what we have seen that after making continuously 2 weeks low, it is trying to go upside and trying to gain momentum. If you look at this particular trend, if the price sustain, what we can see that the next support directly coming at an all-time high, which is $43.86, and this level is already weak, so chances are high we can see it can go further upside. Okay, and you have to understand that the next support coming at a level of 4106, and this is a weekly chart, so you have to understand your quantity, your risk, your SL and target will be as per the week chart. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, three things that you have to understand. 4386 is a resistance 1 and 4106 is a support 1. These two important points that you have to understand. If the price keeps sustaining above this particular level 4106, and we can see there will be an upside. Okay, because the price is already above this level, what we can see, the price is already at 4231. If it comes to this level, we can see a bounce back. Okay, but it is already around $130 down. Okay, so probability of coming today is very less. If there is a very big volatile movement comes, then only we can see it can come, otherwise no. Okay, but suppose if the price keep moving what it is now trading at, so if the price keep moving over this level, probability can be high that the next resistance coming directly at 4386, and this level is already tested, so we can see the price can move further upside as soon as started touching this level. Okay, and this 4386 is already weak, so chances will be high the price can touch a level of 4400, and if that sustain, we can see a level of 4450 to a level of 4500, or a further upside can be seen. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, as we have seen, the US shutdown has ended. We have seen the AI bubble was also being very confused. That is where we have seen the price of gold is continuously upside as well as silver. Now, if you look at this trend, we have seen the dollar index is trying to go below a level of around $100. And if you look at this particular trend, so when the price of dollar index started rising above a level of 99.5 and goes above a level of 100.2, then there is a probability that we can see a gold can a little come down, because they are both inversely related to each other. Okay, so if the price keep rising above a level of 100.2, then we can see there will be a rise in dollar index, and then there can be a probability that gold and silver can come down, but the price of dollar index is moving down. Okay, so if it started going below a level of 98.4, a further fall can be seen in dollar index. Then if coming back again on the gold price, what we can see, now the price is already at a level of 29.690 dollars. Okay, coming back on this price, what we can suppose, if it started coming down, what we can suppose, if it started coming down, the next support coming at a level of $4102, which is a support 1, and if the price falling below support 1, we can see the price can move further low, and yes, after that next support coming at a level of $4066, which is a support 2, and once the price started going below that particular level, a further fall can be seen towards $4030. Okay, and if the price falling below $4030, a further downfall can be seen towards $4005. Okay, and chances of going below this is less as of now from tomorrow, but in this week there can be a chances. So you have to understand, as soon as the price started falling below 4000, a further downfall can be seen, and from there it can move towards 3921, and then a further fall, because there will be a zone breakout as soon as started going below 3921. So chances of falling, as soon as it started falling below 3921, chances are very high it will fall below a level of 3884, because this level is already weak, so we can see the price can move further low. Okay, now if it started going upside, because see, the market is uncertain and chances are high overall trend is upside, so if it started sustaining, we can see that directly towards a level of $4381. This $4381 is already tested, and when started going upside, we can see the price can move towards a level of 4400. If the price moving over this level, probability of going towards 4450 to a level of 4500. Trailing your SL by 15 to $20 is very important. If you trail your SL by 15 to $20, you can capture a big movement towards an upside. But if as soon as the price started going below 4100, trail your SL towards downside by 15 to $20. Okay, as we can see that as soon as the price started going below a level of $4109, you can trail your SL towards downside also, because see, market is uncertain. So if it started going down, we can see a further